Friends, I am about to blow your mind right now by telling you that everything that I bought in this video was either $2 or $1 for NWT wholesale clothing that I bought for my reselling business. That's cheap. And you guys know that I love cheap. Cheap is good. Today we are unboxing my order from Backstock. Backstock is a different kind of company, wholesale company. You can Google them online for all the details, but essentially it's different in that you buy a membership to their site and that allows you to shop on their site, and they're always having crazy good deals. There are different tiers of membership. I happen to be like an elite member, and that allows you to get like first notifications when certain sales are happening or certain brands are coming to the site, and it allows you to buy certain items. Check it out for yourself and see if you think it would work for you. I've got tons of videos on the channel already from this company, so you can watch this video today and watch some of those other videos and ask yourself, would this work as a place to source inventory for my reselling business? I'm not an affiliate with the company. This is not a sponsored video. This is just a company that I like because I get great good stuff that I then turn around and sell on eBay and Poshmark for profit. I've been selling on eBay women's clothing, men's clothing, fashion stuff for about 10 years, and I've been on Posh for a few years. And I live in Northern California. It's expensive here. Thrift stores are expensive, so I'm always looking for inexpensive ways to get inventory for my business. Check them out and see if it'll work for you. I do have a discount link they gave me. It's only for $5 off, but hey, $5, maybe you can shop on Backstock and then go get yourself a Starbucks or something with the $5 you saved. I don't know. Let's get into this box. Let's open it. Let's get into this, baby. I've ordered maybe what, like 5 or 6 times, you guys, from them? No, probably more by now. And I'm really happy with the stuff that I get. Let's see what's in here. This box is like sealed up pretty darn well. Oh my gosh, super cuteness on the top already. Okay, my invoicey stuff, and here's the box. Let's see, can you see? I'm holding up for you and everything's probably gonna drop, but yes, okay, yeah, I'm excited. I love a mystery box, you guys know that. Let's get into the box. You guys might be a little too close up. No one wants to see me that close up. Let's get in the right position now for filming. Okay, so my invoice, everything says $1, $1, $1. There were a couple things on here that were $2, a jumpsuit and some juicy couture stuff. So everything was like $1, which makes me so excited. You guys know I live in Northern California. I haven't been thrifting in forever, and everything is so expensive here. Okay, this is something to learn from right away. First, they put everything in these bags. I don't love because they're hard to open and I can't reuse them. This is so interesting to me. Okay, this is a set of women's pajamas that I got for $1. I kind of got these for myself. One of the things on Backstock, there's not a ton of information. There's maybe a couple of pictures. They don't release brands on a lot of these things. So this brand is something I've never heard of, Colsey, but it looks to me like it's from Target. Because it came in this Target bag. I would have bought more of these, but they had like their women's flannel pajamas, like little shorts and set. But I didn't know what the brand was. They didn't have it listed at all. They just had a picture of a girl in pajamas. Now I know it's a NWT set. It cost $29.99 at Target. And I could have bought more of these for $1, and then I could have flipped them, right? But I just wasn't sure what the brand was gonna be. And you know, reselling online, it's hard if something's unbranded or a brand nobody knows. But that's one carried at Target. I wish I bought like 10 of those and I could have flipped them. Okay, let's see what this is. Oh, these are some pants that I got also from Target brand. They're plus size for $1. I cannot believe, because I never get to, like, my Goodwills don't have 99-cent day. You know, like I see a lot of you over on Instagram shopping at 99-cent day, and I'm like, I don't have anything like that. My thrift stores are so expensive, so I'm kind of jealous, very happy for you, and jealous for me. So I saw that these were Ava and Viv. That's a plus size brand at Target, and I've sold it before. I can get like 15 bucks or something. But I got these because they're a size 3X, and they're a little hard to show a really big size like that, but they're like some joggers with pockets and a nice olive green. I'm hoping that I was smart and I got more than one of these. Trying to be a smarter, like buying wholesale is so different than thrift. It's like trying to be smarter. Like when something's good, I should get more. Like these Chico's size 3. They do vanity sizing, so a 3 is an XL. Nuitags Chico's pants. Stretch waist. These are like a khaki cropped pants. Like, Chico's is really expensive. My guess is these were like $50 or $70 or something. Oh, here we go. $79.50. And Chico's sells so well for me over on eBay, you guys. So this is like amazing. Chico's Nuitag pants for $79.50 for $1. That's awesome. I don't even remember what I got. I always say it's kind of like a mystery box for me because this was what, like 3 weeks ago or something when I ordered. This is such a cute shirt. It only has a tag on it for $16, but I kind of just wanted it for myself. It's not like a brand you guys need to know, Falls Creek, but I just thought this was such a comfy kind of like acid washed women's blue t-shirt for $1, which I could sell. It only retailed for $16. Okay, then I got the skincare. I'm 44 years old. I live in California. I've been kind of a sun worshiper my whole life. And I've never done skincare. Like, I wash my face with soap and water and put lotion on. I've always put a ton of lotion on. That's the only thing I've done really well. But this year, during quarantine, I've had time to like research skincare. So I'm trying to take better care of my skin. So I got all these, the brand is Dermalux. They're not super high end. They retailed when I looked them up on Amazon or something for like 20 bucks. But I got for $1 a moisturizer, this like coconut moisturizer. Can't tell what the light's doing, you guys, sorry. And this is like an anti-aging moisturizer. And I got like a foaming cleanser. Because I'm like, for $1, why not? So I got myself $5 or $6 worth of skincare. So that's good. Okay, this is another pair of Chico's pants, size 3 for $69.50 that I got for $1. I feel like I'm right now how it is when you guys watch people shopping at the bins, the Goodwill outlet bins. My bins have been closed for the entire year of 2020 and they're still not open. I think I'm going to call them and be like, any plans for 2021? We just got outdoor dining open again. So I'm filming this in February 5th or something. All outdoor dining. Everything's been closed here. So we're starting to open some things again. Oh, these are shorts. Size 3, size 16. Women's white, like Bermuda shorts from Chico's. Chico's sells so well for me, you guys, on eBay. It's a really great selling brand for me on eBay. Secret waist stretch, $69.50. The basic alabaster shorts. I wish I got more of those. Oh, I'm so smart. I think I did get some more of those. I also got those khaki Chico's pants in a 2.5 and another one in a 3. I'm so glad. Oh, are these the same? Secret stretch straight leg. I think these are the same, like a cropped khaki Chico's pants. Yes, please. I always say in every video, in case any of you are trying to learn more about what sells on Poshmark or what sells on eBay, for me personally, I've been selling on eBay for 10 years. Did I even do my intro in this video? Probably not. But since I'm thinking of it, it's a really great time to remind you to subscribe to the channel and turn on the little bell so you get notifications when I go live. I do a live at 5 every Friday here on the channel where resellers get together and hang out and talk all about reselling. Tons of tips and tricks about reselling are shared on that video. And when a new unboxing video comes out, you'll get a notification, but only if you're subscribed with the bell turned on. Anyway, I've been selling for 10 years on eBay, and my best-selling items are still bread and butter mature women's brands. Chico's, J. Jill, Style & Co., all that kind of stuff. Anything plus size, of course, and everything in bigger sizes. These are Eddie Bauer women's jeans, $80 in a size 16 curvy. Eddie Bauer jeans, $80 price tag on those babies for $1. Oh my gosh, I'm kicking myself. I should have got more. I feel like every time I open from this company, I say, I wish I had bought more, or I wish I had bought multiples of this item. But it's a little bit like you're just seeing a little information online, and I'm just not sure what's it gonna be like when it gets here. I got another pair of the Eddie Bauer in 18, so at least I'm learning. Now you guys, this was the expensive item. It was $2. This is just a cute Juniors brand jumpsuit by Derek Hart. It's just an inexpensive, Juniors brand, nothing high end here, but it's a jumpsuit, and jumpsuits are really popular. It's smocked, so if you see this elasticy kind of stuff, it's called smocked. It's very popular. This is a wide leg. The other reason I got this, even though it's kind of an inexpensive brand, jumpsuits are hot. If you can find jumpsuits or rompers, they sell really well for me. I don't know, what about for you guys? The jumpsuit is if it's full leg, rompers if it's shorts. But this mustard color has been so hot for 2020 and even into 2021. I'm seeing tons of mustard colored sweaters. People love it. Oh, I got another one. Yes, I am learning. I am learning. Thank you, Backstock. Wow, this is like still on the hanger. Like, this is straight from the store. I don't remember what it is. Oh, Original Use, 25 bucks. Original Use is another brand sold at Target, so they must have like relationships with Target. This is awesome. Long line, size small. So this is a men's brand, and it's a lightweight hoodie, perfect for right now, but it's long. If this were bigger, I'd give it to my nephew Shane because he is such a hipster. If you guys saw my last Backstock unboxing video, those PacSun black men's shorts with the embroidered flowers, I gave those to him too because he's so cool. Like, he has the best fashion sense, and I knew he would love those. Okay, Goodfellow is also another Target men's brand, and I got this for $1, and it is a size large. It was only $12.99, but super nice men's, like, Henley. Like a Henley t-shirt. No problem with that. And these guys were, again, the expensive $2 items instead of $1. And I want to give you a tip here, and that is in 2021, Juicy Couture brand is back in style. They were so known for their velour jumpsuits, and they're back in style. I saw a picture with some influencers recently, and they had on these jumpsuits. Like, the faux velvet velour is really popular, so I got these Juicy Couture for $2, size XL women's. These are awesome, actually. I didn't know they were going to be this good. Sometimes the pictures they're showing are not even the item they're selling. It's a little funky over there, but these have pockets. They're a wide leg velour jogger. Gosh, if these were in my size, friends, I would be putting these on. The Regal velour cropped wide leg pant. Juicy Couture black label. Those are super nice, actually. They're almost like a trouser. Is this the same one? Did I get two? Please say I did. I wish I got them in a large because now I want them for myself. They're like a high-waisted pleated jogger. So I don't know what you guys think, but for me, all those items for $1, even with shipping, my total was like 30 bucks or something. So I'm really thankful for that. Check out the site, see if it's something that you're interested in. I have a bunch of other Backstock videos so you can compare, like, what am I getting from there? What brands am I getting? What costs am I paying and all that? So check out those other videos, and on your way out, make sure you're subscribed to this video, give it a like, and then I'll get to see you in the next video. Bye bye, bye bye, bye. I've just like always been really frugal like that. Like, I kind of joke around and call myself cheap, but I am super frugal. I always have been. And most people are like super excited to tell someone like how much they paid for their outfit. And I'm like, someone says, Quimby, I love your top. I got it for $4 at the Goodwill, and it's this brand. And I think most people that aren't resellers are like, yeah, I didn't need all that information. So this isn't a mystery box video though, Quimby. This is stuff you actually picked out. But it's like a mystery box to me because I ordered it weeks ago, and I usually get on there super quick when they're having a sale, buy what I can. So it feels like a mystery box because I cannot remember. Maybe it's because I'm 44, I just can't remember what I got.